Hi, welcome to Craig Industries. My name's Craig, and these are the leaf springs out of my 1958 Australian Chrysler Royal. Today I'll be giving them a bit of a revamp. I'm basically just disassembling everything I can. I've got the leaf spring mounted in an old blacksmith's leg vise. It's pretty handy for this kind of work. To remove the spring clamps, I'm just using a cold chisel and a hammer, and I'm just bending those up out of the way. Sometimes the leaf spring bushes will just knock straight out with a bit of round bar and a hammer. In this case it was a little bit more tricky. I had to get a drill and then drill out all the rubber around the inside of the bushing and then knock it out. The last thing to do here is to remove the center pin that holds all the springs together. Now, something that I should have done here but didn't was put a couple of G-clamps over the leaf springs to hold them together to stop this from happening. I was lucky not to cop a leaf spring in the face here. Here I've just got an angle grinder with a wire wheel on it. I'm just going through and cleaning up all the leaves and getting rid of the rust. I'm just applying a bit of rust converter to help catch any rust I would have missed. This is Ranak's Rust Buster that I'm using here. Now that the rust converter is dry, I'm just giving all the leaves a bit of a clean up with some acetone just prior to painting. I'm just using an epoxy enamel for these. Now that the paint's dry, it's time to reassemble the springs. I've got some new slipper pads here which I'm just installing into the leaves. They just click in place, it's pretty simple. I also picked up some brand new center bolts to replace the old ones. I'm just using a G-clamp to push the springs together so that the new center bolt will reach all the way through. With the center bolt tightened up, now it's time to knock the spring clamps back together. And that's basically it. Job done. Thanks for watching.